To use Zelle in Pakistan, you first need to understand that Zelle is a US-based digital payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. However, Zelle is not directly available in Pakistan, so you will need to use a workaround to access its services. One way to use Zelle in Pakistan is by using a US-based bank account or a digital wallet that supports Zelle. If you have a friend or family member living in the US, you can ask them to receive the payment on your behalf and then transfer the funds to you. Another option is to use a third-party service that allows you to receive Zelle payments in Pakistan. These services typically have partnerships with US-based banks and can facilitate the transfer of funds to your local bank account in Pakistan. To get started, you will need to register for an account with the third-party service and provide the required documentation, such as your CNIC and proof of address. Once your account is verified, you can provide the sender with the US-based account details and they can send the payment using Zelle. When receiving a Zelle payment in Pakistan, it is essential to ensure that the sender uses the correct account details to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. You should also be aware of the fees associated with the service, as well as any exchange rate fluctuations that may affect the amount you receive. It is also crucial to use a reputable and trustworthy third-party service to avoid any potential risks or scams. You should research the service thoroughly and read reviews from other users before registering for an account. In summary, using Zelle in Pakistan requires a workaround, such as using a US-based bank account or a digital wallet, or a third-party service that facilitates the transfer of funds. By following the steps outlined above and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely use Zelle in Pakistan.